Hey guys, Rich here at RCINFORMER. Got Steve flying the Twin Otter. It's his first time out doing it. And Steve, are you ready to roll?
Yeah.
We're at the Imperial RC Club, so Steve's going to get out there and kind of get used to the Otter. So anytime you want to go, Steve, roll it on out there.
All right, guys, taxiing out. Taxiing out.
Please like and subscribe to the channel, guys. We do appreciate that. You can go without flaps, Steve, if you want to. Whatever's good for you. Bunch of planes out here, folks. Just doing a little random filming for everybody here.
Taking off. No flaps. Nice headwind.
There you go, nice.
That's about a half throttle right there, so. Exactly half throttle. Anyway, here we go.
Is it trimmed up or you got to do anything?
Nope, pretty good.
All right.
That's hands off right there.
Excellent. Let me get myself stabilized here. There we go. I got you in the frame, Steve.
Pretty sweet little airplane. I like the twins too. Twin engines are good.
On the runway.
Is it trimmed up okay?
Yeah.
You said? Yeah, good, good.
Everything's fine.
Very nice, Steve, very nice. I'm trying to smooth out my camera action here for everybody. I don't do it nearly as good as Steve, but...
Low pass, over the runway.
Very nice, very nice. Very good.
Got a lot of planes in there today.
Yeah.
Which is fun.
They just opened it up for flying, folks, so we're going out flying a few things, trying to drain our batteries off before we got to go later, but
Get it up and loop.
very good, Steve. Very nice. Somebody went whizzing by. You want to try landing with it?
Yeah, I'll do touch and go here real quick.
All right, touch and go. I'm thinking you got a little right crosswind here.
Yep. No flaps. Touch and go.
To the left rudder. Nice, Steve. Very good. Excellent. There's Steve right there. Get back on him there on the downwind. Tell you what, Steve, you feel like doing a pass with flaps?
Sure.
Just sort of a slow pass, nothing ridiculous, but just to get used to how the flaps are, so you can kind of see how it is.
There's half flaps right there, and it's floating up a little bit, so there's full flaps.
Because it gets, you know, it gets down to a really nice crawl, this airplane, folks. Check this out at in our link below, and check out our other videos on this. The plane really crawls with flaps. It's awesome on the floats as well. Really nice, Steve, really nice. You feel like trying it full flaps?
I just had it full flap.
Oh, you did? Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
I think I said that.
Low pass.
Low pass on the Otter.
Take it off.
There you go. Very nice, Steve. Nice and smooth. I like it. Doing a loop. Doing a loop. Nice, Steve. Nice. Very cool. There's Gavin with his F-16. You just saw a zoom by. There we go.
Low pass.
Trying to get you into action here, Steve. I'm switching positions here, folks. There's all kinds of activity here. I'm moving around a little here, folks.
Low pass.
He's coming in on a low pass. See if I can get him on the camera as well. There he is. Very nice, Steve, very nice. Yeehaw. Beautiful.
All right.
Excellent, Steve. Very good. What do you think, Steve? What's your overall?
I don't think it's as fast as the Tiger Cat is, I'm sure. So.
Well, no, but it's a nice flying plane, right?
It is, yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah. Very smooth. Lots of activity here, folks. Get in tight on that. Get zoom wide out. Get an idea what's happening here. There's all kinds of stuff streaking past.
All right. Half lap to a full stop.
Full stop landing. Steve's calling it. Landing! There's Gavin whizzing past at Mach 2. Nice. Landing in the Otter!
Landing.
Nice. Little left rudder, little right bank. Hold it off, hold it off. There you go. Excellent, excellent. You can let it go on the grass. It's good. You can drive it back. Yeah, bring it on back. There you go. It should come back around.
Yep.
Yeah, it'll come around. Just, yeah, power it up. Yeah.
So
It's an Otter, man. It goes in and out of islands and stuff. Yeah, it'll come back. You got it, you got it. Nice, nice. Got to use the grass braking effect.
Yes.
So there we go. All right, guys, Steve, nice job. So Steve, just give me your thoughts on it. That's like really the first time he's flown it, folks. So
yeah,
what do you think?
Smooth flying airplane. It's almost as easy as that Super Easy.
Yeah.
Really controllable. No characteristic crazy tendencies or anything. Sweet for twin engine. I like it.
Nice flying, Steve. All right, guys, please like and subscribe. Check our links below. Please share our videos, folks. We're going to try and get some more out here from Model Aviation Day at Imperial RC. Nice job, Steve. Thanks for flying. And it's, guys, we'll let you go, and we'll be back with another video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.